Hi, my name is Mayur. In the last video, we talked about what MGD Outliers package is and what it does. From this video onwards, we will actually work with Outlier Ninja class and apply it on a sample dataset in a Jupyter notebook. So let's begin. I will switch to Jupyter notebook. So installing this package is very easy, and if you are already studying data analytics or data science, it is no brainer for you. For installing, you just have to write pip install and the package name, which is mgd underscore outliers, and you have to run the cell. It will take a couple of seconds and the package will be installed. Since it is already installed on my system, it is saying requirement already satisfied. In case you already have this package and you want to upgrade it to the latest version, you can do so by writing pip install hyphen hyphen upgrade and package name, which is mgd outliers, and this will update your mgd outliers package. So the package is installed and updated. Now to work with the outliers, you have to import outlier ninja class from this package, and for importing you have to write from mgd outliers import outlier ninja, and that is how you can import the outlier ninja class. This is simple, isn't it? And that's the guides. Now you're ready to go. In the next video, we will talk about instantiating and training the object of this outlier ninja class. I will also give you an intuition about what this class is actually doing when we fit the data on an object of this class. So let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.